How to use the Meta Business Suite app. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use the Meta application, the Meta Business Suite application. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now first things what's first, what you're going to do is you're simply going to go into the Play Store and you're just simply going to search for Meta Business Suite app over here, and then you're just simply going to click on the install button for the application, and once it's installed we can move on with the video. So let's just wait for it to be installed and we are good to go. Okay, so once it has been installed, we'll just open it up and we are good to go. Okay, so then you just simply sign up with your Facebook account. If you already have a Facebook account, you can go ahead and sign up. But if you don't have one, you can just simply quickly log in with your Facebook account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And over here, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, it's going to manage all of your messages and comments. It's going to share customized posts across Facebook and Instagram, manage Facebook and Instagram business accounts, schedule post stories, create ads, and compare insights as well. So let's get started. So over here, you can see we have reply messages, create post, and grow your audience, right? So let's go ahead and click on create a post. But first, what we gotta do is we gotta connect your Instagram page. So to connect your Instagram page, what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna come over here onto Instagram, right? You just simply click on inboxes, and over here you will see the Instagram option where you can simply click on it. It will say connect Instagram, and you just simply click on the button and you will just simply, it will take you to the Instagram page where you log in with your Instagram account and you are good to go. And once you've logged in, this is how it's going to look like. Pretty simple, right? And then over here home, you will have your main Facebook page and you will have your main Instagram page over here. So over here you will see your followers, all right, and your Facebook likes and your estimated audience for the ad that you've created. That's how it's going to look like. Then down below you can have ad, you will have tasks as well. So currently there are two tasks. As you can see, these are example tasks that you can go ahead and create. And then down below you will have your post that you can go ahead and see that you will make. Then you will see insights and audience as well. So it's pretty simple. Now, down below, as I said before, you will have posts over here. You can come over here and click on it, and you can here create different posts and post them as well. You will have stories, you will have mentions and tags, you will have photos, you will have planners as well. So it's pretty simple. So to create a post, just simply click on create, and over here you choose your accounts which you want to choose. So you have your Instagram and your Facebook, you can choose whichever, and then you just simply click on done, and then you just simply click on photos and videos, you allow access, and then you can choose a video from your gallery or photo that you want to upload. So I'm going to upload this one. I'm this burger right here, and I'm basically going to go ahead and click on done right here, and it's going to upload over here. Then you can write something about this, right? Like anything. So in this burger, this was made by my friend, and they added some Cheetos in it. They made it themselves. It looked pretty nice. It's pretty good. Then you can add your feelings as well and stuff like that. And I'm gonna say yes, those are Cheetos. And then we are good to go. Then you can tag other people as well, and you are good to go. Then you just simply click on next, and this is where things get interesting. So as you know, you can go ahead and schedule your posts or your videos or whatever you want to do. So over here you can publish them run right as this moment, or you can schedule them for later. So over here, as you can see, this is the Facebook view. This is how it's going to look like on Facebook. And over here, if we switch to Instagram, this is how it's going to look like on Instagram. This added the caption, tag other people as well. And you can, as I said before, schedule it. So if you want to schedule it, you can schedule it for, let's say, today at 7 9. Let's see. Okay, now at 7 9 it's gonna be scheduled and it's gonna be posted. So we just simply schedule it, and now it may take a few minutes for the schedule for your post, but it will be done. Then over here at the planner, you will see it over here, right? So at 7, you know, you can create a post over here as well. You can individually create a post on each day of your own choosing. So it's pretty simple. Then over here in post, you will see that post, right? So over here we have published post, we have scheduled post. So as you can see, this post is scheduled for now. It's gonna be uploaded in a couple of minutes, maybe in 20 minutes or so, but it will be done. So it's pretty simple. And then another thing is that over here they provide you with other applications such as, ads and a planner. So over here what a planner does is basically plans all of your moves, so you can go ahead and schedule stuff. You can schedule posts and messages and all of that. So as you can see, you can schedule your posts and story as well. You can go ahead and add that to it. It all depends on you. And another tool, as I said before, is the ads. Over here you can go ahead and create a ad or an ad campaign right here on your phone. You don't even have to do anything. You don't even have to go to the internet on your computer and access their main website to create an ad. You can just create an ad simply by coming over to the Business Suite app over here on the phone, and you can quickly create a planner, and you can quickly create an ad of your choosing, which is pretty awesome. So the way it works is you just simply click on create ad. All right. Over here, you just simply choose get started with an automated ad or boost your posts, or you can start with a goal, get more messages, get more website visitors, promote your page, get more leads. So let's say we want more visitors on our website, right? So it's a pretty simple, decent looking application. You don't have to worry about that. All right, over here is going to be your ad. This is how it's going to look like, and down below this is basically an example of how it's going to look like. You will have your media, you will at the below you will have your name and your website example as well, with like example.com. And then over here you enter in the URL of your website, and then you add a button, all right, which you want. So if you click on edit, you can add a button such as a sign up now button. All right, if you click on sign up, as you can see, there will be a small little sign up button over there. It will say book now. It all depends on you, right? So we want the sign up button, so we'll just choose sign up, and then we'll just simply click on save. And then we have our audience over here. We can edit the audience as well. We can add in the location and the age group and the people you're choosing. You can do that, and then you can add in your daily budget as well. So each single day this much money is going to be spent. So I'm going to choose this one. This is like a dollar half per day, and every day the 368 people per day are going to be able to see that ad if you choose this amount every single day. And then you can schedule the or when you want to run, and you can schedule it for how long you want to run. And then down below, your ad will run for 5 days with a budget of 1,500 rupees. That is the actual amount, which is like $6-7, I believe, maybe like 8. No, I think it's 7. Yeah. And then you can add in your payment method as well. So it all depends on you. And then payment summary. So it's pretty simple, pretty cool, right? As I said before, you don't even have to go to the computer to create an ad. You can create an ad on your phone, which I think is pretty amazing and cool. Then, as I said before, you also have insights where you will see all of the trends and content and audience, basically an overall report on both of your accounts, both of your Instagram accounts and page and Facebook accounts. So you will have your Facebook reach, Instagram reach, visitors and likes, dislikes, all of that. You will have all of the insights about your page right here on this moment. You will also have events. As you can see, you can create an event like an upcoming event, or like a brand new launching, or that you're launching a new product, or you have a new guest visitor on your company, or whatever you want to create. You can create that over here, and it's pretty simple as well. So you can add in the name, you can add the host, location details, ticket links, co-host, and all of that. So it's pretty amazing. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. As I said before, you can go ahead and use the Business Suite app to manage all of your social media, both your Facebook and Instagram, and you can run ads, you can view insights, run planners, and all of that. So it's a pretty amazing app. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.